Sports here with Sir Galloway. Sum up the game for me, please.
It was a good game, trust me. We came here for 3 points, but nevertheless we got one. And I mean, come Thursday we have to know we have to do much better compared to what we did today. The team played well, but at least we know that we can do better, and come Thursday we're going to do much better.
In the attacking part of the game, we hardly see any combination plays. The game was a little bit slow. The team tend to shift the ball a little bit slow. Tell us about that.
Well, with the attacking third, you know that Daniel is out of the program because of national duties, and he came back this week, and we were trying to put back him and Trevante together so that the chemistry could have worked today. But I mean, we get some more time to do it, so we're going to do it and pull through.
This is the 11th game you play Cavaliers, losing 5, drawing 5 games and winning 1. Tell us, the words that you use to encourage these boys to come out to play Cavaliers, because at the end you lose.
Well, I always tell them that it doesn't matter what the past has done with us with Cavaliers. We're just looking forward and going forward. All we have to do is come, put in our game, do our best, and get the 3 points and put Cavaliers away.
Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best in the next game.
Thanks much, man.